Here on my computer, I'm going to connect through Unplugged to my ProColor 3 panel, and I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. So now up here on the panel, you see I have a Google Slides presentation that I've opened up. I do have control over the touch functions of this panel here, so I can control the entire presentation here from the display. But one of the really great things about the ProColor panel is that there are also really helpful built-in applications like Note, which is always a favorite of many teachers. So if I want to also use Note while using Unplugged, I can now do that. If I go to my toolbar here and I go to my application switcher, you'll see I have Note available here, and I can drag that out into split screen, and then I can select iMirror, which is our system that Unplugged is using, and now I have both Note here on the left and Unplugged on the right. Now, this Google Slide presentation got a little bit smaller. It's still the same dimensions as a laptop display, so it might be helpful to just take that center icon there in our multitasker and drag the split screen over a bit. So now the laptop screen is a little bit larger. I still have touch control, so I can go ahead and enter this slideshow here, and I can use my styluses to go ahead and mark up my screen here. So for example, with this lesson, I would like to first talk about the life stages of a butterfly. So maybe I go ahead and talk about here in Note a butterfly's egg, what that would look like, and then if I need to tie this into the presentation a little bit more, I can even use the annotation tools to pull those up on the screen. So I really do have full control over what is going on both Unplugged and Android apps such as Note simultaneously on the panel. Now, if I want to close out of this, all I have to do here is drag this split screen indicator all the way over to the edge of the screen. Now I have Unplugged as full screen, and I can just go back to the home screen and take over wherever I need to go on the Android side. So that's a handy new feature of Unplugged that allows you to split your screen so you can see both what's going on with these Android applications and what's on your Windows or Mac laptop simultaneously.